Good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Welcome to my 2513th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar, and it's the 2513th edition on Friday. It's Friday the 13th, kids. Friday, Jan 6, 2023. I don't believe in superstition, even if it was Friday the 13th. All right, so risky. This is a very risky game. Never, ever trade without stops. In fact, I put out a video last night and told you I was buying gold and buying E-mini S&P. We were stopped out in gold, and we traded S&P, made profit, traded it a second time, and the second trade was stopped out. So overall, a losing day on Thursday. So it doesn't always work. Luckily, we had stops in because the market went much deeper than where we got stopped out, so the losses would have been worse. Put your stops in. Now, that's over with. I don't care about yesterday's trading, or I should say I don't care about Thursday's trading because we've got Friday. And what's going to happen Friday? We've got a jobs report coming out on Friday, and I'll tell you right now, OMNI says jobs report or not. Sell the big rallies. Sell short rallies, jobs report or not. On Friday, if you get a big rally, sell short because the flag is getting ready to produce, and it's a bearish type flag. NASDAQ is in a flag. The Russell 2000 is in a flag. The Dow and the transportation averages are all in flags on the daily, and that is telling us that the report is going to be bearish. Report or not, put your orders in and sell short rallies in the E-mini S&P, NASDAQ, or Russell for trading on Friday. Traders, that's all I have for you for tonight. Please join me at livewithoscar.com. Please like and share these videos. And remember, stops are in. Emotions are out. Now remember, you're selling big rallies, not little ones. It's got to be a decent rally before you go short. Good luck out there. I'll see you at livewithoscar.com.